Okay. This is Lolo Shano Vlog. Sige.
Dito kayo sa showroom, Mantra Residences, and Workflow.
Okay, obanan nato si Lolo Shano Vlog. So sa showroom sa Sibulan Masters. Showroom ni siya sa Mantra and the North Groove. And then okay, so this is Lolo Shano Vlog and the teams. This is the team and this is Marianilin Igay. We're vlogging. Did you know?
Kami ni Rochi at dapat.
Rochi.
Race siya, ito sa number 1 at sa number 3.
So
You want to know more about this? Where to?
Sarap.
What?
Hold on.
Yun guys, pasok tayo sa meeting area guys. Mantra Residences, Sibulan Master. Ganda naman. So yun guys, dito tayo to showroom tayo guys. So yun lang din guys. Saba man guys, bye bye siya guys. God bless us all. Lolo Shano Vlog, bye bye.